What's up, YouTube? What's up, Facebook? This is Mike here with Trushine Cleaning. And today is Tuesday, April the 27th. And here at first customer house of the day, I'm doing a small little pressure washing patio area that you can see behind me. Uh, got everything already set up and everything. Kind of a mixed kind of day today, so I'm doing this job right now. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Um, I have another job after this, doing carpet cleaning, and after that job, I have two cars I'm gonna wash. One I'm gonna wash, one I'm gonna detail. So we're just gonna see how everything goes for the day. But I'll show you guys the setup of what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, got my equipment and everything ready to go. Uh, got my pressure washer here. I actually just took this pressure washer out of my van like last week, but I needed it for this job. Um, Lately, I've been using this electric pressure washer when I be detailing and washing cars. So, I don't know why it's crinkling like that. So, other than that, show you guys the setup, man. Let me show you guys some of the work. Thanks for watching. So guys, so I'm finished up with that concrete patio area. Getting ready to load up everything now. It took probably about 20 minutes actually. 20 minutes to do the job. The setup probably took longer than actually doing it. I had to hook up my hoses and everything, but patio came out great. So you guys seen how it looked in the beginning of this video. As you can see, brighten up very well. So